I walk another 500 meters from that fallen tree, trying to find if there are any other obstacles on the way. I didn't see any. We just unlucky with that fallen tree, but it looks like I found a place where to put the trail camera. It's here. I have another area where I can put a little bit down. That's two of my choices. I install it here, or I will go to that area down below, maybe half a kilometer, big area, open area. Maybe there. I don't know what to do. I was thinking about this tree or that tree to install on, because it's easy and it's no obstruction. Maybe this one even better, to put it here or on this one. No, that one. This is the option number one. And option number two, to return back to the area where the big opening is and install it there. Oh damn, what a day. 30 degrees up, light breeze. One big obstruction, fallen tree, and we cannot continue. Birds are singing. I even wouldn't mind staying right here, but there is no water. Without water, it's a suffering. No, I will install it in that area, half a kilometer down. I don't want it here.